Hi everyone, welcome to Zinc's YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about how to boost performance for your computer or faster clean your computer cache. Okay, let's start fast steps. Click Ctrl plus R in your keyboard, or you can search from the start menu RUN type RUN. Okay, here we go. You see there is a run app you can open. Okay, in the run bar you type prefetch prefetch, and then you see the destination folder. Okay, you have to enter which administrator level to enter this folder. If you don't have administration level, you don't have to enter, you cannot enter. Okay, all you have to do is Control A, or you can slash with mouse, delete all of the file permanently. Wait a few seconds. Okay, you can skip these file, the last one file. And second step, you type temporary folder in your computer, because temporary file are sometimes maybe useless, always file you can type. Okay, you can delete all of the file, delete with administrator level. Okay, skip. And then finally your computer is faster, or best performance we give. And the last one is recent spy. Type recent in the run box, and you see there is, in my computer I have no file, but if your computer have maybe some time or there is recent file, you have to delete. Okay,